I'm connecting two F plugs to an RG6 cable. I'm going to cut the insulation off, and I'm going to reveal the braid. We need to trim it up and cut off the screening, and then we need to take off the inner insulation. I'm just going to clean it up first, and if you can subscribe, that'd be fantastic. So what I've got to do now is take off the inner insulation. As you can see, I'm just using a simple Stanley knife, and this will reveal the core. Now it's a copper core, and the way I connect the F plug, I do quite a few of these every day, so you've just got to push the braid where the screw part is, and then just twist it on. Now keep twisting until you can see the white bit coming from the F plug. When you've done that, then do the same for the other one. Now this generally is for a satellite. You normally have two cables for a satellite decoder. You can have one, but then you can't do the recording if you do. Again, if you can subscribe, that'd be great. So again, I'm trimming it up, and I'm going to cut off the silver. Well, in fact, it's aluminium. So we're just going to trim that up, take off the white insulation. Now this particular copper core is thicker than the ones that Sky use. It's just far better to have the thicker one if you're travelling a fair distance from the satellite dish. Now I just trim it up. You can have it quite long or quite short, providing it fits into the unit, into your decoder, then that'd be great. So if you can subscribe, if this has helped you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.